Have you ever looked up at the sky and seen a plane? But what if there was a plane you couldn't see, not just with your eyes but with radar? This isn't science fiction. This is the F-22 Raptor. It's a machine that can slip into hostile airspace, complete its mission and vanish before the enemy even knows it was there. The Raptor is a technological marvel, the apex predator of the skies. Its defining feature? Stealth, what engineers call low observability. Imagine a black hole, you don't see it, just its effects. The F-22 is similar, its presence is felt but rarely seen. This ability to remain unseen makes it one of the most dominant aircraft ever built. But how does a massive metal machine simply vanish from radar screens? It's not one trick, it's a symphony of science and engineering. Shaping, materials, and clever design all work together to fool the very laws of physics that radar relies on. We're about to pull back the curtain on this incredible technology, from special paints that absorb energy to twisted air intakes that hide the jet's hottest, most reflective parts. Every detail matters. Each feature is a piece of a grand, intricate puzzle. The designers had to think like radar. If I were a radio wave, where would I bounce? They built a plane that gives radar almost nothing to see. As we dive in, you'll see the F-22 isn't just a fighter jet, it's a flying physics lesson and a testament to human ingenuity. Let's break down the secrets of the Raptor's invisibility. Welcome to the world of the F-22. Let's start with the Raptor's skin. The F-22 is covered in radar-absorbent materials, or RAM, not just paint but a high-tech coating. Imagine shouting in a room lined with foam, the echo disappears. RAM does the same for radar waves. This special coating, filled with ferrite-based particles, traps radar energy and converts it into a tiny amount of heat. The result? Radar gets almost nothing back, just a faint whisper, easily dismissed as background noise. The goal isn't total invisibility, but shrinking the F-22's radar cross-section to the size of a marble. These materials must be tough, surviving supersonic flight, extreme temperatures, and harsh weather. RAM isn't just a coating, it's integrated into the airframe itself. The secret lies in the chemistry, the application, and the bond with the aircraft's structure. Maintaining this skin is complex and expensive, but it's the first layer of the Raptor's invisibility cloak. Without RAM, the F-22 would be just another blip on the radar, but with it, the Raptor becomes a ghost. This is the foundation of its stealth. Next, let's see how the F-22 hides its most vulnerable parts, the engine. The engine is a stealth aircraft's Achilles heel, giant spinning metal fans that reflect radar like a disco ball. The F-22 solution? S-shaped intake ducts. Look into the F-22's intakes and you won't see the engine fan at all. Air travels through a winding serpentine tunnel, no direct line of sight to the turbine blades. Radar waves entering the intake bounce off RAM-coated duct walls, losing energy with every reflection. By the time any signal escapes, it's so weak it's almost non-existent. The S-duct is a radar trap, swallowing energy whole. This design isn't just about stealth. It must also deliver smooth airflow to the powerful engines. Engineers used advanced fluid dynamics to create a shape that's both aerodynamically efficient and electromagnetically silent. It's a perfect marriage of science and engineering. The S-duct is a key reason the F-22 can stay hidden. Stealth isn't just about what you see, it's about what you don't. With the engine hidden, the Raptor's ghostly reputation grows, but the shape of the plane itself is just as important. The F-22's shape is all sharp angles and flat surfaces, a design called faceting. Unlike rounded jets, these facets deflect radar waves away from the source, not back to it. Imagine throwing a ball at a wall of angled tiles. The ball scatters, never returning straight to you. The F-22's surfaces are precisely angled to scatter radar energy in narrow, harmless directions. Even the edges of wings and landing gear doors are aligned to avoid reflecting radar. The result? Only faint, fleeting blips, never a strong, trackable signal. This concept began with the F-117, but the F-22 refines it, blending stealth with high maneuverability. Supercomputers help designers create a shape that's both invisible and agile. The F-22's faceting is subtle but effective. Control the reflections and you control the battlefield. The Raptor's shape is a shield, making it nearly impossible to lock onto. Stealth is built into every angle, but the details go even deeper. Beyond RAM and faceting, the F-22 uses a suite of low-observable technologies. The cockpit canopy, for example, is coated with a thin layer of conductive material, like gold, reflecting radar away and hiding the pilot. Its curvature is designed to deflect radar, just like the rest of the airframe. Antennas and sensors are embedded flush with the skin as conformal antennas, preserving the stealthy shape. These antennas transmit only when necessary, in narrow, hard-to-detect beams. Even the engine nozzles are rectangular, helping mix hot exhaust with cold air to reduce the infrared signature. The F-22 is stealthy not just to radar, but across the electromagnetic spectrum. Every detail, from the pilot's helmet to the exhaust plume, is part of the stealth equation. It's a holistic approach, stealth in every sense. The Raptor is invisible to more than just radar. Now, let's see how all these features work together. The F-22's genius is in how every stealth feature works together as a seamless system. The faceted shape deflects radar, RAM absorbs what's left, S-ducts hide the engine, advanced coatings and details minimize every signature. Imagine a radar pulse. Most energy is scattered, the rest is absorbed, and almost nothing returns. This multi-layered defense makes the F-22 resilient. No single trick to defeat. An enemy would have to overcome every layer at once, an almost impossible task. The Raptor's stealth is robust, deep, and fully integrated. It's more than the sum of its parts. That's what makes it a true ghost in the sky. If the principles are known, why can't every country build an F-22? The answer: knowing the recipe isn't the same as cooking the meal. The exact RAM formulas are top secret, the result of decades of research and billions in investment. Replicating them requires advanced chemistry, nanotechnology, and manufacturing expertise. The F-22's shape was sculpted with supercomputers balancing stealth and aerodynamics, a razor-thin compromise. The software and computational models used are as secret as the materials. Even with the theory, building a plane that's both invisible and a world-class fighter is a monumental challenge. Every detail, from the faceted surfaces to the internal structure, must be perfect. It's a puzzle with millions of interlocking pieces. That's why the F-22 remains unmatched, but even if you solve the science, you still have to build it. Manufacturing the F-22 is a feat in itself. Every panel must fit perfectly. Any gap or misaligned screw can ruin stealth. This demands advanced robotics, laser alignment, and a highly skilled workforce. Applying RAM coatings is a complex multi-stage process in controlled environments. The US spent decades perfecting these techniques. After building, you need specialized anechoic chambers, giant radar-proof rooms, to test stealth from every angle. These facilities are rare, expensive, and essential. Without them, you're flying blind. No way to know if your design actually works. The US has several such test sites, technological marvels in their own right. Building and operating these is a massive barrier to entry. It's not enough to build a plane that looks like an F-22, it has to perform like one. That's the true gauntlet of stealth aviation. And it's why the Raptor's edge endures. The F-22 Raptor is more than an aircraft. It's a symbol of technological supremacy. Its stealth is a deeply integrated philosophy, touching every aspect of its design. This gives the US a priceless strategic advantage: air dominance. The Raptor's pilot can see first, strike first, and disappear at will. In air combat, that's the ultimate power. The challenges of copying the F-22, advanced materials, design, manufacturing, and testing, mean its advantage will last for years. Other nations are still catching up to the benchmark set decades ago. The F-22 is a testament to science and engineering, manipulating the forces of the universe to become a ghost in the sky. It stands as one of the most significant and formidable aircraft ever built. The Raptor's legacy: invisible, untouchable, and unmatched.